Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. We're going to try to get sweethome3d installed, and we're going to open it with the Archive Manager. The default fedora14 tar-gz animal. And there it is. Let's see, which one is it that we used to start it? Let's see what the install says. Installation, user's guide. Oh, TikTok. Firefox is actually pretty slow on Fedora 14. I've been using Chromium more and more. Installation. Alright, Linux, tar-gz, uncompressed to install. Okay, run sweethome3d application found in the uncompressed directory. So let's go. sweethome3d and create the folder, which is what it. Okay, try it again. Extract. Okay, yes, alright, fine. Now it's extracting. We're not seeing the sweethome3d application yet, but let's go ahead and show the files. sweethome3d 3.0 TikTok. Double clicking, waiting for it to open. There it goes. This is the application. So we're gonna open with, well, we'll just open, see what happens. Run in terminal, see what happens with that. See if there's any messages. Alright, that's looking very promising. No messages in the terminal. And sweethome looks like it's running. So let's go ahead and create a wall or something. Yes, okay. Now we've got a wall, and now apparently if I hold down the control key, I'll get, there we go, I get a round wall. Yay! Round walls. Thank you, developers at sweethome3d. And let's drop this right into create a new, yeah, okay. Click OK. Thanks for watching. sweethome3d, give it a shot. Works on Fedora 14, running Control-Shift-N, Java version. Let's see. All right, Java 16022. Thanks for watching. Happy computing.